Welcome back to another episode of Bushcraft Skills. It is a sad truth that almost anywhere you go nowadays, you run across people's garbage in the great outdoors. It seems like I often come back with half a bag of garbage. I'm not even kidding, and it's not even mine. And one of the things I find almost everywhere is these plastic water bottles. Now, you can take this plastic water bottle and you can make a fire with it. And I'm going to show you how in this episode. First thing you do, if it's empty, is fill it up with as clear water as possible from a stream, a creek, or your canteen. Alright? This nice little solar ignition skill I'm going to show you, I learned on the David West channel. He is the god of fire here on YouTube. What we're going to use to catch the solar ignition is processed burdock leaf, which I learned from I think it's Survival Strong is his channel. Both channels, links to the appropriate videos will be in the description. So let's get started. These smart water bottles are about perfect for this type of solar ignition because there's this spot right here where the label doesn't come on either side. It allows you to get a good focal length. And what we're using is the shoulder area. So if you have a water bottle that has this kind of a shoulder area and it's a clear one, you can probably get away with doing this. So we're going to take our dried burdock, our processed dried burdock leaf, and our bottle, and we're going to focus. And you got to be patient with this, because the first time I tried doing this, it took me all of 10 minutes to get it, to find that perfect focal length. I think somewhere right there. But right now the sun is almost straight overhead. Sometimes this is easier to do with the rising or setting sun because you got a little bit of a different angle to work with. Oh, I see a little smoke. There we go. And see, it's just finding that right focal length. You got to play with it. And look at that burdock go. That is an amazing fire starter. Now that would go in your prepared bird's nest and you'd be able to have a fire right away. And that'll conclude this episode of Bushcraft Skills. I hope you learned something, and I hope that next time you're out in the woods, do the right thing. Pick up the trash even if it's not your own. Thank you for watching.